Hey, I've got this Hampton Bay wall mount hose reel, part number 438050. It says it can hold up to 125 feet of 5/8 inch garden hose, heavy duty aluminum. All right, here's what this baby looks like. Kind of brownish colored. Here's where the hose goes. They give you the handle with it here. The jumper, the hose jumper, goes from here to your spigot, and that way you can just hook your garden hose up right here, and we'll go through that. And this is where the handle will go on. Here's your mounting holes here, and it gives you directions on how much room you're going to need on the box too. And this is basically how the thing is going to sit on the wall. So you're going to have some mounting screws that go through there. There's the handle that comes with it. Little blue hose there, jumper. It comes with an Allen wrench and a screw for the handle. All right, here I've got this thing taped up because actually they didn't have a black one, and we wanted a black one, so we're going to go ahead and paint it with the. Yeah, this thing, since it's aluminum, it took the paint really good and it's setting up nice. Doing a couple coats on this thing. All right, got it all painted up. Now I'm just going to take this tape off, and then we'll go ahead and get it installed and mounted. Put the handle on. All right, one thing we didn't do is paint the handle. So we're going to go ahead and paint the handle on another day, but I'm going to go ahead and install it. It's easy to take on and off. Okay, then this thing comes with an Allen wrench for it, and it's just one screw right in there for the handle. It just pops right on there. Now for the hose, before you mount it, you just want to make sure that this hose that they give you will reach from your spigot to your spindle. Okay, I went ahead and put the top two screws in. I made sure it was level before while we were doing it. And I just used a couple fasteners with washers, a couple drywall screws, 1.5 inches or so with some washers, and I'll do the same thing for the bottom there. Okay, now this end of the hose hooks right up to here. I'm gonna take this end of the hose and hook it up right here. Now you can roll up your hose. Love this thing. That is great. Roll up the whole hose on there. That's very nice.